Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to insert a watermark in Microsoft Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel, which of course I have done right here. Now where can you find Excel? You can find it on Microsoft Store. Locate your Microsoft Store, launch your Microsoft Store and search for Excel and follow through the on-screen prompt to download Excel. After downloading Excel, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to insert a watermark in Excel. So all you have to do from this homepage is to head over to the Insert tab. So check the top corner of your screen where you have File, Home, Insert, Draw, Page Layout. So go ahead and click on Insert. So after clicking on Insert, the next thing that you need to do is to head over to the Header and Footer tab in here and select Header and Footer. So now that you have this, okay, so we have this already. So if we want to add a picture, all you need to do is to, of course, click on that header, insert, so header and footer. So select picture, and it says it's loading, so I'm just going to select from my file. So heading over to my file, and let's say I'm going to click on this as my watermark, and I'm going to click on insert. So I have this and picture option in here. If I want to format this picture, I'm just going to have to click on format picture to format my picture. That's before it even goes live. So I'm going to have to reduce the height, so it can be something quite smaller. And as I'm reducing the height, I'm also reducing the width as well. So I'm going to click on OK, and I'm going to go out of that box, and that's it. So it has already spread across the file, and as you can see, other pages actually have this picture and it is customized to it. So this is my picture, so I can just go ahead and click on the picture again and select format picture. Maybe I want to reduce the height again and also reduce the scale to something incredibly low. So I'm gonna have to set it to 30, and I'm gonna click on OK. So that's it. So you can just go ahead and just click on that and click on format to just keep on formatting your picture. But this is pretty much how you can insert a watermark in Excel. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.